So I was so excited about my Fenty skin coming in the mail today. So I actually did a Rihanna inspired shoot today, and if you guys want to check that out, you can check my Instagram at KeondraRashawn. I'll link it right here. But so the first thing I'm going to pull out is the Total Cleanser, and I'm just going to read off the back. It says hyper clean soft skin without stripping or drying, daily cleanser and makeup remover all in one. So I'm kind of excited about this because I usually double cleanse. So I usually like use like my micellar water on a pad and try to remove as much makeup as I can. But I'm gonna try to just take my makeup off and clean my skin with this product all at the same time, at the same dang time. So here's that. So it lathers pretty good. Just gonna add a little more water. Oh yeah. If you want it a little more soapy, you can go ahead and add more water. I didn't put that much. So now we're gonna wash off. And I didn't have on any makeup. This is gonna be my new morning skincare routine. Be right back. Everything off. Get a paper towel to pat dry my face. This is a close-up of my skin. The next product, and it is the Fat Water. I'm really excited about this because I do use toner, and I love that it's like kind of like jelly base, and like Rihanna said, when she squeezed it into her hand, it didn't fall off, like it didn't go anywhere. And most toners are like water-based. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this. And it says that it's a pore refining toner, instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, evens skin tone, and fights shine without stripping skin. So here's the Fat Water. A little bit. So just gonna gently rub that all over. So we're gonna have a little 10-second dance party while this dries a little bit. Okay. Here's the toners. Last thing is going to be the Hydra Visor Invisible Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Sunscreen. So, like I said, make sure you guys use sunscreen. I don't care what color you are, you should be using sunscreen. like, I always have conversations with people, and they're like, oh, black people don't need sunscreen. Yes, you do. We need to protect our skin. Like, we burn just as well as any other person. So make sure you wear your sunscreen. So this is the Hydro Visor. I'm so happy that it has sunscreen in it. And so here's the sunscreen and here's the case. So you just pop that in there, twist it. You know what to do. This is super cute. Like, thank you, Rihanna. You're changing the game for us. A little goes a long way. Honestly, the fragrance is not a big deal to me. I actually like the smell of it. It's not like super harsh. I mean, but I'm not a skincare guru. I'm not a dermatologist. But all I can say is that if you want to try the products, you should try them out for yourself, because everybody is going crazy about the fragrance. And it's not really that bad. But here are the final results. And make sure you're a little more gentle with your skin, because I'm pretty harsh and I'm working on that. So that concludes the video. I do want to share that I am not a dermatologist. I am not a skincare guru. So don't come for me. I know people like a lot of like in-depth, like that. That's not me. I'm giving y'all the basics. So I'm going to insert a clip of me applying all the products, and hopefully I can get rid of a lot of the stuff that I have already, and this will be the only thing, because I don't stick to one product, and I want to get in the habit of like using the same things like every day. I know that kind of sounds weird, because a lot of people like to incorporate so many different skincare items into their routine, but I just want to use this and that's it. I don't want 20 different products. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.